Day 1 in office for Yogi Adityanath as UP's Chief Minister. The focus, his meeting with officials from every state department. His first meeting this morning, however, was with the state police chief over the killing of a Bahujan Samaj Party politician in Allahabad. Adityanath reportedly told Police Chief Javed Ahmed to be vigilant and asked for a better policing blueprint in 15 days.
पुलिस को जो है उसको जो है 5 वर्षों की 15 वर्षों की आदत वो आप केवल 1 दिन में या 2 दिन में उसको ठीक नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन संदेश जा चुका है, लोग ठीक होना शुरू हो गए हैं.
Officials in UP also scrambled to implement yet another BJP poll promise, shutting down slaughterhouses. 2 were sealed in Allahabad. The municipal corporation there said they were running without permission and had been given first notices a year ago.
जब अमित शाह जी आजमगढ़ पहुंचे थे तो उन्होंने कहा था शपथ लेते ही हमारे जब मुख्यमंत्री आएगा तो बूचड़खाने यात्री बूचड़खाने बंद हो जाएंगे. शपथ हो गई, अब
कैबिनेट की पहली बैठक में ऐसा हम लोगों ने कहा था. कैबिनेट की पहली बैठक होने दीजिए, जल्दी हो जाएगा.
But there is ambiguity on just how this will be implemented. In its election manifesto, the BJP said that all slaughterhouses, those of them who are illegal, will be shut down. In election meetings, BJP leaders consistently said that all slaughterhouses would close. Government officials say off record that at the moment they are unsure about what to do. In his meeting with UP officers, Adityanath directed all officials to submit details of their movable and immovable properties and income tax within 15 days. All officers were made to repeat this pledge to ensure cleanliness in their office premises and were asked to get 100 others to pledge the same. Officials were also asked not to be under any political pressure. It's a new beginning for UP politics and its new chief minister. Earlier today, a team of 7 pujaris from the Yogis Lok Sabha constituency Gorakhpur performed religious rituals at the gates of 5 Kalidas Marg in Lucknow, Adityanath's new official home. The chief minister moved in later in the evening. In Lucknow with Kamal Khan and camera person Rajesh Gupta, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.